Hi! In front of me is Oppo A53s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on Bluetooth. Now tap on the switcher next to it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to, wait a bit. Select Pair in this pop-up and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!